Hello students, welcome to NARS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson Bipin Babu's Lapse of Memory. In our previous session, we came to know that Parimal Ghosh told many intimate things about Bipin Babu. Okay, and also he told about his Ranchi trip and whatever the things occurred during his Ranchi trip. But Bipin Babu was very sure that he had never been to Ranchi. So he said him goodbye, and after that he left that place. And he told his driver Sitaram to take him to the side of Ganga. Ganga means Ganga river. And during that time, again and again he was regretting regarding giving so much importance to the intruder or to the words of Parimal Ghosh. And again, for a moment, he thought that whether he is going to lose his mind. Here, losing the mind means whether he is becoming a mad person. For a moment, that thought came to his mind. Now let's continue the lesson. Was he losing his mind? But how could that be? He was working daily in his office. It was a big firm and he was doing a responsible job. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting at. See here, for a moment he thought, was he going to lose his mind? For a moment he thought, am I going to lose my mind? Am I becoming mad? That thought came to his mind. But how could that be? How is that possible? He was working daily in his office. As usually he is working in his office. It was a big firm. Big firm means business partnership. He was making a business. Okay. And he was doing responsible job in that business also. He was doing responsible job. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Being a responsible person. While doing, he did not make any serious mistakes. He could not recall such kind of any mistakes, serious mistakes in his work. Only today he spoke half an hour at an important meeting, and that day also he spoke nearly half an hour in an important meeting. And yet the man knew a great deal about him. How? He even seemed to know some intimate details. Again he is thinking, then how did that man come to know about all those intimate matters? Intimate means here very personal and private matter. Okay. How did he come to know about those intimate details? About that he is thinking. The bag of books, wife's death, brother's insanity. See here, these are very private matters, intimate matters. But that man, that strange man knew about all these things. What are those things? The bag of books, wife's death, brother's insanity. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. Whatever the things he told, that strange person told, everything was right except for his Ranchi trip. Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. Now he is thinking it was not mistake, that man did not make mistake, but he was telling lie deliberately. What do you mean by deliberate? Deliberate means intentional or purposeful. Probably that person intentionally or purposefully he told lie. Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. In 58, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bagchi's place. Again, he is recalling in the year 1958, during the pujas, means during Navratri puja time, he was there in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bagchi's place. Okay, he was there with his friend Haridas Bagchi during that time. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to no. There was no way of writing to Haridas. Then for a moment he thought, if I write a letter to Haridas Bakshi regarding his Ranchi trip, then he would get information about that, whether he had been to Ranchi or not. For a moment he thought, but there was no way of writing to Haridas, because Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago and he didn't have his address. He could not write letter to Haridas Bagchi because Haridas Bagchi had he had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago. And he didn't have his address, so he could not write a letter to him. But there was the need for proof. But where was the need for proof? He himself fully aware that he hadn't been to Ranchi, and that was that. Then where is proof for this? Okay, he had been to Ranchi. To prove that, is there any proof about that, he is thinking. And he was very sure that he had never been to Ranchi. But that person was telling, that strange person, Parimal Ghosh was telling he had been to Ranchi. To prove that he had never been to Ranchi, Bipin Babu is trying to get some proof. He is trying to collect some proofs. Okay, see, the river bridge was breezing and yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. The river breeze means giant air, okay, and it was very bracing means stimulating. It was very nice one, but at a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. The whole atmosphere, it was nice one, but he could not enjoy because there was a discomfort, okay, kind of a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. What do you mean by lingered? Lingered means stayed or remained in his mind. Okay, and our mind is sad. When we are sad, though our atmosphere is good also, we can't enjoy that. His condition was also, it is same. Okay. Around Hastings, Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. Then quickly, Hastings means quickly, Bipin Babu decided to roll up, turn his trousers and take a look at his right knee. He decided to take a look at his right knee. Why? Because already Parimal Ghosh told that he had cut in his knees during his visit to Kudru Pass. Okay, that time he fell down there and he got cut. So in order to check whether any mark is there, he rolled up his trousers. There was the mark of an old inch-long cut. It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. Then he found the mark of an old inch-long cut, 1 inch long cut mark was there on his right knee. It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. But it was impossible for him to tell when that injury had occurred. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee, he tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. He was trying to recall. Probably in his childhood days he had fallen, that time he would have got such cut, and because of that, that mark is there. He is trying to recall that one, but he could not recall such event from his childhood days. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.